VectorVest database is 62.77. A. Earnings yield. A reflects earnings per share as a percent of price. SYBX has an A of -43.24%. This is below the current average of 1.59% for all the stocks in the VectorVest database. GPE, growth to PE ratio. SYBX has a GPE rating of -1.73. A stock is commonly considered to be undervalued when GPE is greater than 1.00. Dividend. VectorVest reports annual, regular, cash dividends as indicated by the most recent payments. Special distributions, one-time payments, stock dividends, etc., are not generally included in division. SYBX does not pay a dividend. DI, dividend yield. DI reflects dividend per share as a percent of price. SYBX does not pay a dividend, so it does not have a dividend yield rating. DI equals 100x, div/price. It is useful to compare DI with A. If DI is not significantly lower than A, the dividend payment may be in jeopardy. DS, dividend safety. DS is an indicator of the assurance that regular cash dividends will be declared and paid at current or at higher rates for the foreseeable future. SYBX does not pay a dividend, so it does not have a dividend safety rating. Stocks with DS values above 75 typically have RS values well above 1.00 and A levels that are much higher than DI. DG, dividend growth rate. Dividend growth is a forecasted annual growth rate of a company's dividend based on historical dividend payments and dividend predictability. It is a subtle yet important indicator of a company's financial performance. It also provides some insight into the board's outlook on the company's ability to increase earnings. SYBX does not pay a dividend, so it does not have a dividend growth rating. YSG, YSG vector. YSG is an indicator which combines DI, DS and DG into a single value, and allows direct comparison of all dividend-paying stocks in the database. SYBX does not pay a dividend, so it does not have a YSG rating. Stocks with the highest YSG values have the best combinations of dividend yield, safety, and growth. These are the stocks to buy for somewhat above current income and long-term growth. VOL. VOL is the 50-day moving average of daily volume as computed by VectorVest. SYBX has an VOL of 1,423,826 shares traded per day. Percent volume. Percent volume reflects the percent change in today's trading volume as compared to the VOL. Percent volume equals volume of vol 100. SYBX had a percent volume of 836.85% on Wednesday, January 13, 2021. Percent PRC. SYBX price changed 41.67% from the prior day's closing price. Sales. SYBX has annual sales of 1 million. Sales growth. Sales growth is the sales growth rate in percent over the last 12 months. SYBX has a sales growth of -100.00% per year. This is very poor. Sales per share, SPS. SYBX has annual sales of 5 cents per share. Price to sales ratio, PS. SYBX has a PS of 66.53. Shares. SYBX has 34 million shares of stock outstanding. Market capitalization. SYBX has a market capitalization of 118 million. Business sector. SYBX has been assigned to the drug business sector. VectorVest classifies stocks into over 200 industry groups and 40 business sectors. Industry group. SYBX has been assigned to the drug, biomedical/genetic, industry group. VectorVest classifies stocks into over 200 industry groups and 40 business sectors.